Hello everyone. Before solving today's question, let me tell you something about the Engineering Services Examination. ESE is conducted by UPSC to recruit the engineers into the prestigious government engineering services. And one thing that makes ESE different from many other examinations is that it rarely asks you to memorize the facts. Instead, it checks whether you can connect the concepts, interpret the given engineering data, and logically arrive at a conclusion. And today's question is a perfect example of that. The examiner has not directly asked like what is BCC or FCC. Instead, they have given information about three crystallographic planes and expect us to identify the crystal structure through the logical reasoning, right? So today we are not simply solving a question, we are learning how material scientists think. Now imagine I hide an entire crystal and show you only three slices of it. Can you still identify the whole crystal? Most of the students will say no, but in crystallography, that is exactly what engineers do. By studying just a few crystallographic planes, they can identify the entire crystal structure. So this is the beauty of the material science. Now, let's organize the information. The dimension is 0.40 nm in cross 0.40 nm. Okay, and atoms only at the four corners. The dimension is 0.40 into 0.55. Okay, and atoms only at the corners, and one known dimension is 0.55 nanometer. Okay, and atoms are four corners and one atom at the center of the plane. Now the question asks identify the crystal structure, right? So look, whenever ESE gives multiple observations, don't jump to the answer. Instead, ask which observation gives the strongest clue. And the strongest clue here is the atom at the center of the 110 plane. Okay. Now the 001 plane forms a square. Its dimensions are 0.40 into 0.40. So here A is equal to B, which is 0.40 nm, where A is the lattice parameter and only corner atoms are present. So this observation is common in both simple cubic and the body centers cubic, BCC. So this alone cannot identify the crystal. So remember, in a crystallographic plane is simply an imaginary slice through the crystal, and different crystal structures show different atomic arrangements on different planes, and that is why the crystallographic planes are called the fingerprints of the crystals. Okay. Now, analyze the plane 100. So here, this is the dimension. Okay. So again, only corner atoms are present. No atom exists at the center. So this plane also does not distinguish between the different cubic structures. And it simply tells us that one edge is 0.40 nanometer and another direction measures like 0.55 nanometer. Okay. Now, look carefully at the 110 plane. The question says four corner atoms and atom exactly at the center of the plane. So this is the turning point. Which crystal has a body center atom? Exactly, the BCC. And in a BCC unit cell, 8 corners atoms and 1 atom at the body center, right? So when the 110 plane cuts through the cube, that body centered atom lies exactly on the plane. So therefore, the 110 plane naturally contains 4 cornered atoms and 1 centered atom. So this is the characteristic feature of the BCC crystal. Okay. Now, let us confirm mathematically. Given the edge width is 0.40 nanometer for a cube and the face diagonal, this is a root 2. So substitute 0.40 into root 2. So this is 0.566 nanometer. Okay, so the question gives 0.55 nanometer, which matches very closely, right? So therefore, the given dimension corresponds to the phase diagonal exactly as expected for the 110 plane for a cubic crystal. So hence our conclusion is perfectly verified. Okay. Now, Students often confuse BCC with FCC. Remember this shortcut? FCC, the face-centered atom lies on the 100 plane, and BCC, that is the body-centered atom, lies on the 110 plane. Okay, so this single fact can solve many objectives as well as the descriptive questions. So what is the final answer? The given hypothetical metal possesses a body-centered cubic crystal structure, BCC. Okay, reasons. Like 001 planes contains only corner atoms, 100 plane also contains only corner atoms, 110 plane contains 4 corner atoms and 1 center atom, which is the body centered atom, and the given dimension is 0.55 nanometer, which is approximately a root 2, matches the face diagonal of the cube with the edge 0.40 nanometer. So hence the crystal structure is conclusively identified as the body centered cube, that is a BCC. Okay, all right. So I hope now clear. So see you in the next session. Bye bye.